Hey guys, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we are going to speculate on the Samsung Galaxy S10, and also we have a potential design for the S10. Now the big question is Samsung going to go nuts and implement the notch, or are they going to blow our minds with a super infinity display that will have no form of a notch? Let's dive in and discover. Alright, so you may or may not know, but in the recent Samsung Developers Conference, Samsung did announce 4 new types of displays that they are going to be using in their Samsung phones going forward. These displays are called Infinity U, Infinity V, Infinity O, and the new Infinity. So we have 4 of them. And as you can see, the Infinity U and the V have a tiny teardrop notch, and the notch is shaped after the letter assigned to that display. But in the case of the O, the Infinity O, we are looking at a small hole or a mole on the display. And of course, the new Infinity is notch free. That's the 4th display. Now here's the thing. One of these displays are going to make it to the Samsung Galaxy S10. And of course, I'm sure I speak for most of us when I say that we want to see the new Infinity version of these displays on the S10. And of course, the least desired options is the U or the V. So there are some recent rumor-based news on what might actually happen. Not set in stone, but in the form of some rumors, we're being told by some reliable industry leaksters that we might get the Infinity O display, and here are some brilliant renders from Geskin showcasing this potential design. Now Geskin is also the source of these rumors, and that little hole obviously is there for the camera, for the front camera. Now Geskin also states that the camera hole could be left or right justified instead of being in the middle. Now if this is the case, let me know down in the comments below which position you would prefer. And I know that secretly you prefer the new Infinity version of the display, as do I. But if worse comes to worse and we have to live with a dot on the display, I would prefer a centered dot over left or right justified dots, but your opinion might differ. Anyway, so these are the latest rumors, and seeing as how they're coming from reliable sources like Geskin and are also being discussed by Gordon Kelly from Forbes, it is starting to pick an air of legitimacy. Now, other things to expect from the S10 are speakers that are built into the actual display instead of having tiny speaker grills on the top and the bottom. And of course, the in-display fingerprint sensor is almost guaranteed on the S10. And from what we know so far, the fingerprint sensor will be an ultrasonic version as opposed to the optical version of the fingerprint sensor. That's what we have on the phones today, the optical version. So the ultrasonic version is going to be faster and more accurate because it is going to map and use 3D models of your fingers. The optical fingerprint sensors takes photos as opposed to creating 3D maps such as the ultrasonic fingerprint sensors. But that's it for this video. Now, as there are more leaks and rumors, I'll update you guys ASAP. So make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH to stay tuned to the updates. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, drop your comments down below to share your thoughts, concerns, and feelings. And of course, have a fantastic day.